G'day, this is 900 BD here. Just got to do a bit of a video of all my machinery, or some of it. I'll just turn the fuel off on that. It's my Victor Mustang, and it runs beautifully. There's my little still, and that's it's like a Chinese-made chainsaw. It's a copy of the Husqvarna design. It runs quite well. And the problem is, yeah, that's a little bit loose, but that doesn't matter. The only problem is, yeah, the sprocket or the clutch stuffed up, so it hasn't got the clutch on it or a sprocket or anything, but it still runs. So just gonna start them all up and give everything a bit of a run. Now, hang on a minute, I'll just put the camera down so I can start up this chainsaw. Running. Mustang. That's runs pretty well. I'll just start up this for a bit of a run. The Mustang and that are both running on mixture nitro fuel, so they got a lot more power. Yeah, the kill switch on that needs a bit of a look at, and there's this, which is start it up. This runs pretty well. So if I can get another clutch and sprocket for it, that'd be good, because I'll be able to use that. Yes, that's about it. The Mustang, gonna give it a bit of a, do a bit of work on it, just give it a bit of filler just on the top cover, just to, smoothen it out a bit and give it another coat of paint. That's perfectly fine. That's gets used quite often. That runs pretty well when I take it out cutting wood. Yeah, that I did have a bar and chain on and everything, and it was running pretty well, but as you can see on the side, what happened, because we put some studs in there so we could take the bar and chain off a lot easier and to tighten it or sharpen the chain, what happened was the studs were too short and the sprocket was hitting against there, the cover, and stuffed it and seized up the clutch. So I've got, see, that's my other mower, my Vector, but it needs a bit of work. Here's the sprocket and all the other bits that came off, that's stuffed up. We had to rip it off pretty much just to get it off. It got completely seized up. I got my solo rax chainsaw under there too, and it runs, but the chain's a bit loose, and it's hadn't got any fuel in it, but it does run. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll put some more videos on next week or something.